Are there reliable visual and tactile cues that tell you when a floor tile is ready to be pried up for removal? When assessing whether a tile is ready for removal, start by inspecting for hairline or wider cracks that follow grout lines, because those often indicate the thin set or adhesive has failed along natural breaks. Tap the tile with the handle of a screwdriver or a rubber mallet and listen for a hollow or dull sound which signals loss of bond between tile and substrate. Run a fingernail or the edge of a putty knife into grout joints to see if grout crumbles away easily, which often precedes tile release and reduces the risk of adjacent tile damage. Look for visible gaps at the tile edge where the tile lifts slightly above the plane of neighboring tiles or the subfloor, which show the adhesive has let go. Gently insert a pry bar into a grout joint and apply light upward pressure to test a small area before committing to a full pull, which prevents surprising breaks. If you see dark stainings seeping through grout or adhesive that smells musty, consider there may be moisture damage and use moisture meters or test cuts to avoid spreading problems. 3 common mistakes are forcing removal without testing, which breaks good tiles and increases labor, prying from the middle of a tile, which transfers stress and shatters porcelain or ceramic, and ignoring underlying moisture or substrate issues, which leads to repeated failures. To avoid forcing tiles, always test small areas first and work from edges toward the center, so you only expend effort when the bond is compromised. Instead of prying from the center, start at grout lines or seam edges and lever gently while supporting neighboring tiles to keep stress localized and transferable. When evidence of moisture or substrate rot is present, stop and probe the subfloor or backer board, repair or replace damaged substrate, and allow full drying before installing new tile. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project pages where people share experiences and contractor referrals that relate directly to tile removal and floor replacement. We host a discussion community so homeowners and contractors can ask questions, exchange tips, and post photos of problem areas to get practical advice before work begins.